So the first one that we're going to make is, you're going to need your carrot, of course. You're going to need some ginger and some cucumber, and you're going to need your lime. And this one is really refreshing, guys, trust me. So the first thing I'm going to do is extract the juice from my carrots, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the same to my ginger and my cucumber. So now what I'm going to do is extract the juice from my lemon, and I am also going to add a little bit of sugar on this, about 1/4 cup of sugar, just so that the kids can drink it, because they won't drink it without the sugar, to be honest. So if you are doing this for weight loss or just to boost your immune system, then you might want to just drink it just like that naturally. But I'm just going to add some sugar in this one for the kids. So after extracting the juice from my lime, I am now going to add my cucumber juice, and then I am going to gradually add my ginger, because you don't want the ginger to be too strong or overbearing. So I added a 1/4 cup of sugar, and then I'm going to gradually add my ginger and stir. So now this one is completed. I am just going to move on to my second juice. So moving on to my second juice, in this bowl I have just carrot juice, and I'm going to add my condensed milk. And trust me guys, if you want your kids to drink carrot juice and they won't drink it, just add some condensed milk with it, and trust me, they will definitely drink it. After adding my condensed milk, I'm going to add some flavor, which is going to be my vanilla, and I'm also going to add some cinnamon powder and some nutmeg powder. I am also going to add some Nutriment, which is quite optional, or you can, sometimes I add supligen depending on the one that I have, but today I'm going to be adding some Nutriment to this. And there you have it guys, I made my carrot drink and I also made my carrot juice. Let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite, and if you have tried the carrot drink before with the lime juice. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for clicking on my video. I hope you guys are all staying safe, and show some love to your neighbor, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys, happy Sunday.